Good morning, my dear students. This is P&S CVPS Probability Distribution Lecture 8 Problem Normal Distribution Problems Continuation Problem 2. For a normally distributed variate with mean 1 and standard deviation 3. Find the probabilities that first bit 3.43 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 6.19. The second bit minus 1.43 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 6.19. Solution. What is given? Mean is given, mu is equal to 1. Standard deviation is given, sigma is equal to 3. Okay. First bit 3.43 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 6.19. So x1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to x2. So x1 is equal to 3.43. Your formula, T formula, x minus mu by sigma. T formula, x minus mu by sigma. When x1 is equal to 3.13, what is T1 value? x1 minus mu by sigma. 3.13 minus 3 by 1 is nothing but mu value 1, sigma value 3. So 2.13 by 3, 0.81. This is T1 value. x2 is equal to 6.19, T2 value. x2 minus mu instead of T, T2 instead of x, x2. So 6.19 minus 1 by 3. So 5.19 by 3. 1.73. Now you write probability of 3.43 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 6.19 is equal to integral 3.43 6.19 f of x dx is equal to integral t1 to t2 t1 0.81 to 1.73 1 by root 2 pi e power minus t square by 2 dt. ఈ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ని ఇలా మారుస్తే వచ్చింది, ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను ఇది కాదు, ఇది ఫంక్షన్ ఆఫ్ టీ కాబట్టి మీకు డైరెక్ట్గా ఇలా రాసేసుకోవచ్చు, ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ అప్పర్ లిమిట్ మైనస్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ 0.81 అని. ఫ్రమ్ నార్మల్ టేబుల్స్ ఈ విధంగా ఉంటాయి. వాడు మీరు ప్రాబ్లం చేసేటప్పుడు నార్మల్ టేబుల్స్ ఇమ్మంటే ఇస్తారు. సపోజ్ మీరు ఈ నార్మల్ టేబుల్స్లో 0.52 అనుకోవాలనుకోండి. 0.52 అంటే 0.52 అంటే ఇక్కడికి 0.1985 ప్రాబిలిటీ అవుతుంది. 1.2 అనుకోండి, 1.25 అనుకోండి, 1.25 ఇవ్వండి ఇక్కడ వరకు రావాలి, 0.3944 అవుతుంది. అదే 2.27 అన్నారు అనుకోండి, 2.277 అంటే ఇక్కడ వరకు 0.4884. 0.81 అన్నారు అనుకోండి, 0.81 ఇవ్వండి, 0.2910. ఇలా నార్మల్ టేబుల్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఇది మీకు ఎగ్జామ్స్లో అడిగితే ఇస్తారు. నార్మల్ టేబుల్స్ ఇవి లేకుండా మన ప్రాబ్లం కంప్లీట్ అవ్వదు. 2.45 అనుకోండి, 2.45 ఎక్కడ ఉందో చూసుకొని అనుకోండి 0.4929 అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సో ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ 1.73 ఈజ్ 0.4582 minus 0.291 is equal to 0.1672. From tables means normal tables, from normal tables. So second bit minus 1.43 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 6.19. So x1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to x2. Comparing x1 x2 t formula, when x1 is equal to we get t1 value, when x2 is equal to we get t2 value. Probability of given one is nothing but integral x1 to x2 f of x dx, t1 to t2 1 by root 2 by e power minus t square by 2 dt. So f of upper limit minus f of lower limit, here minus is there, minus of minus we get plus. So f of 1.73 from table 0.4882 plus 0.81 from table 0.2910 from tables are normal tables, whatever it may be. So this is nothing but 0.7492. Problem 3. The mean and the standard deviation of the marks obtained by 1,000 students in an examination are respectively 34.5 and 16.5. Assuming the normality of the distribution, we have to use normal distribution, that's the meaning. Find the approximate number of students expected to obtain marks between 30 and 60. Okay, what is given here? Kaplan is given 1000. Next, mean mu is given 34.5. Sigma standard deviation is given 16.5. Okay, we have to obtain marks between 30 and 60. So 30 less than or equal to x1 less than or equal to 60, not x1, x 30 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 60. So x1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to x2. Comparing x1 value 30, x2 value 60. x1 value 30, x2 value 60. So when x1 is equal to 30, t1 is equal to x1 minus mu by sigma. T is equal to x minus mu by sigma, formula. Very easy formula. So t1 equal to x1 minus mu by sigma. So this is nothing but 30 minus 34.5 by 16.5, nothing but minus 0.27. When x2 is equal to 60, t2 is equal to x2 minus mu by sigma, 60 minus 34.5 by 16.5, nothing but 1.54 using calculator. So probability of 30 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 60 is equal to integral x1 to x2 30 to 60 f of x dx is equal to integral t1 to t2 t1 minus 0.27 to 1.54 1 by root 2 pi e power minus t square by 2 dt. So f of 1.54 minus f of minus 0.27. So f of 1.54 minus and minus plus f of 0.27. From tables, f of 1.54 is 0.4382. From tables, f of 0.27 is 1.1084. So finally we get 0.5916. This is the probability. So the number of students who get marks between 30 and 60 is equal to capital into probability. So 1000 into 0.5916, 591.16. So nearly 592. Problem 4. In a sample of 1000 cases, the mean of a certain test is 14 and standard deviation is 2.5. Assuming the distribution to be normal, find first bit how many students score between 12 and 15, how many score above 18, how many score below 18. So what is given? N is equal to 1000, mean mu is equal to 14, standard deviation sigma is equal to 2.5. Your formula T is equal to x minus mu by sigma formula. Next, what is your first bit? Between 12 and 15. Between 12 and 15, that is 12 less than x equal to రాసిన పర్వాలేదు, less than x less than 15, x1 less than x less than x2. So x1 is equal to 12, x2 is equal to 15. x1 is equal to 12, x2 is equal to 15. When x1 is equal to 12, t1 is equal to x1 minus mu by sigma, 12 minus 14 by 2.5 minus 0.8 minus 0.8. When x2 is equal to 15, t2 is equal to x2 minus mu by sigma, 15 minus 14 by 2.5, 0.4. P 12 less than x less than 15 is equal to integral 12 to 15 f of x dx is equal to integral t1 to t2 minus 0.8 to 0.4, 1 by root 2 pi e power minus t square by 2 dt is equal to f of upper limit minus f of lower limit, f of 0.4 minus of minus plus f of 0.8. From tables, f of 0.4 is 0.1554 plus 0.2881. From tables nothing but 0.4435. Therefore number of students score between 12 and 15 is equal to n into probability, 1000 into 0.435. So 435, this is 4435, 4435. So 443.5. So 443 nearly, or 444, whatever it may be, no problem. You write the students in integer form, not a fractional form. 0.5, 0.52 students is not possible. Second bit, score above 18, that is x greater than 18 minus infinity infinity 0 18 here. X greater than 18 means x lies between x greater than 8 means x lies between 18 and infinity. So 18 less than x less than infinity, that is the meaning. So only one value there. Suppose there are two values are there, you write x1 x2. Only one value there, you write x equal to 18, t value 1.6. Probability of 18 less than x less than infinity is equal to integral 18 to infinity f of x, same methodology. For 18 we get t value 1.6 to infinity. Infinity is infinity. 1 by root 2 pi e power minus t square by 2 dt. So f of infinity minus f of 1.6. F of infinity is 0.5 already given to you as a formula. F of 1.6 is 0.4452 from tables. So this is nothing but 0.0548. Number of students score above 18 is equal to capital N into probability. 1000 into 0.0548, 54.8, 59 nearly. Sorry, 55 nearly. 55, not 59, 55. Third bit, score below 18, that is x less than 18. Actual diagram minus infinity 0 infinity. Here 18 is there. So x less than 18 means x lies between minus infinity less than x less than 18. This is the meaning according to diagram. So write that is minus infinity less than x less than 18. Minus infinity less than x less than 18. So x is equal to 18. T value x minus mu by sigma. 18 minus mu value 14 by 2.5. This is nothing but 0.4452. 0.4452. Okay, probability minus infinity less than x less than 18 is equal to integral minus infinity to 18 f of x dx. You write minus infinity as it is. For 18 x value, t value is wait minute, this is wrong. Wait 1 minute. This is 1.6. 18 minus 14, 4 by 2.5. So 1.6. So minus infinity to 1.6. 1 by root 2 pi e power minus t square by 2 dt is equal to f of upper limit minus f of lower limit. F of 1.6 minus into minus plus f of infinity. From tables f of 1.6 is 0.4452 plus this is 0.5, so 0.9452 right here from tables. Therefore the number of students score below 18 is equal to capital N into probability. 1000 into 0.9452 is equal to 945.2. So nearly 945. Nearly 945. Problem 5. In a test on 2000 electric bulbs, it was found that the life of a particular make was normally distributed with an average life of 20-40 hours and SD of 60 hours. Estimate the number of bulbs likely to burn for A bit more than 2150 hours, B bit less than 1950 hours, and C bit more than 1920 and but less than 2160 hours. So what is given here? Kaplan is given 2000. Average means mean value mu is equal to 2040. Standard deviation sigma is equal to 60. This is more than means x greater than 2150, less than means x less than 1950, more than less than. So x lies between 1920 and 2160. That is the meaning. Same as above model, but important problem. So according to given problem, what is n value here? 2000. Mean mu is equal to 2040. Sigma is equal to standard deviation sigma is equal to 60. Your formula T is equal to x minus mu by sigma. Next, what is A bit? More than 2150 hours. So x is equal to 2150 hours. Your T value x minus mu by sigma. So 2150 minus 2040 by 60. How much we get here? 2150. So we get here 1.83. So more than means x greater than 2150. That is 2150 less than x less than infinity. 0 minus infinity. Here 2150 is there. X greater than 2150, more than means greater than. So this is the interval. So probability of 2150 less than x less than infinity is equal to 2150 to infinity f of x dx is equal to, for this value 1.83 to infinity, right, as it is 1 by root 2 pi e power minus t square by 2 dt. రాగి ఇది అలవాటు అయిపోద్దులేండి. f of infinity minus f of 1.83. f of infinity is 0.5 minus, from tables this is 0.4, this is 0.4664 from tables. So this is nothing but how much we get? 0.0336. Therefore the number of bulbs expected to burn for more than 2150 hours is equal to Kaplan into probability 1000 into 0.0336. So 33 point, not 1000, this is 2000. N is 2000. So 67 నియర్లీ. పాయింట్స్ ఉన్నా మీరు ఇంటీజర్ ఫామ్లోనే రాయాలి. బల్బు 0.2 బల్బు 0.3 బల్బు ఉండదు కాబట్టి పాయింట్ ఉన్న ఇంటీజర్ ఫామ్లోనే రాయాలి. బీబీట్ లెస్ దాన్ 1950 hours. Less than 1950 hours. So BBIT less than 1950 hours. So x less than 1950 according to diagram, minus infinity less than x less than 1950. So when x equal to 1950, t value minus 1.5. Minus 1.5. So probability of minus infinity less than x less than 1950. So integration t values f of minus 1.5 minus f of minus infinity. So we common, this becomes minus of f of 1.5 minus into minus plus of f of infinity, minus f of 1.5 from tables we get 0.4332. This is 0.5. So this is the probability. Therefore the number of bulbs expected to burn for less than 1950 hours, n into probability, 2000 into 0.06, nearly 134. Third bit, more than 1920 hours and but less than 2160 hours means more than x greater than 1920, less than x less than 2160. This can be written as 1920 less than x. So less than 2160. This is the interval. So x1 x2 comparing x1 1920 x2 2160. When x1 is equal to 1920 t1 value minus 2. When x2 is equal to 2160 t2 value plus 2. So probability of 1920 less than x less than 2160. Integral 1920 to 2160 f of x dx. T values. Write this one. So f of upper limit minus f of lower limit. So f of 2 minus of minus plus f of 2. 2 into f of 2. 2 into f of 2 value from tables 0.4772. So 0.9544. Therefore the number of bulbs expected to burn more than 1920 hours but less than 2160 hours. Capital N into probability. 2000 into 0.9544. So 1909 nearly. So this is very important problem.